how to fix Instagram add to story problem. If you have any problem with the mention in your story, this video is gonna help you a lot. So all what you want to do, guys, is simple. There is actually two ways to fix it. First way is open the settings, open the apps, go to the apps. Now you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. After that, you have to scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, and click on this option right here. And after that, you have to go back, and that's it. For the second way is you have to go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Go to this search bar right here and search for Instagram. Now all what you have to do is click on update if you have this option. That's it, guys. See you in the next short tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe.